Seaside Pearl Winery. It is a family business. It is nice because it keeps family close. Our sons are both involved, and then our daughter, and of course my wife, Allison, and I. Person comes to Seaside Pearl, it's a good experience, you know. We have the area where the tasting room is. We have patios front and back. Then people can stroll through the grape yard. I'd give a barrel tasting and talk about how the wine's made, interesting stuff about the barrels and the markings on the barrels. And Allison talk more about, you know, the tasting notes. As for the Fraser Valley grapes, we do Cabernet Fauche, that's our red grapes, and Petit Milo, and it makes a white wine. I'm David Zimmerman from Seaside Pearl Winery. Welcome to Circle Farm Tour.